Can I have your name?
Yeah, I'm Alex Orizny from ABN AMRO.
So what are you coming for today? Do you have any most exciting for this event?
Yeah, well, this is going to be like 2 years that we haven't had any events because of COVID. And this one is the first one since 2020. So everyone, I think, is quite excited to meet again here.
Yeah. Do you have any most exciting speakers you are looking for today?
No, not really, but it's going to be quite interesting in covering the sustainability aspects. The crypto seems to be quite in the trend this year. So this is going to be nice to hear from all the people here.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
Well,
Thank
enjoy.
you. What's your name?
So I'm Will Mitting. I'm the founder and managing director of Acuity.
What do you think the crypto derivative market right now?
So I think what's interesting about the crypto derivative market right now is it's evolving effectively in two distinct streams. One is the traditional market offering that you see at CME and Eurex. The other is the native market, such as Deribit and Binance. And the growth is probably predominantly seen in the native market, which is interesting, I think, for a number of reasons. But crucially, I think the regulatory approach that we're taken will decide how the bifurcated market now ultimately evolves.
So do you think the crypto trading is competitor of the traditional trading industry?
Interesting question. Yes, I'd say yes and no. On the one hand, if you look at the market participants that are trading crypto derivatives, many of them are traditional players who have traded traditional assets who are coming into this market. Some of them are native who are coming into the traditional market. So in terms of market participants, I don't think there's much competition. I think it's quite symbiotic, and I think there's a good relationship between the two, and they grow the overall trading environment. I think when it comes to competition, I think you see is on the infrastructure side. So certainly the exchanges, I would say, definitely are in competition long term, but also the market structure is in competition with traditional market structure. And I think that element of competition is the most interesting part of the market right now.
Do you think that more and more assets are going to the crypto industry?
Yes, I do, but I think it's not going to be linear up. I think what we'll see highs and lows. But ultimately, if you look at what's happening on the technology side, that's the real promise of the crypto industry, and more assets are inevitably going to flow into that.
Thank you. Thank you so much. What's your name?
So I'm Michael Saba, and I'm working at WeMatch, which is a digital marketplace for derivatives, and I'm heading the EQD at WeMatch.
Yeah. So what are you coming for today, and what do you want to achieve for the conference today?
So here it's today it's half for the networking, because we've been missing on each other, seeing each other for the past couple of years, and also to get to know pulse of what's the crypto industry doing compared to the EQD and traditional finance. So to get a sense of how we can integrate both from the various conferences.
Do you think the crypto trade industry is the competitor for the traditional trading industry?
No, I don't think it's a competitor. The same way I don't think, FX is a competitor, or different asset classes are competing with each other. I think it opens opportunities and diversification opportunities. And here I think it's actually going to enable us through tech and opening doors from tokenization of assets. I think it's showing the way of what a new trading format can be.
Which platform or which derivative you normally trade?
Okay, so I was trading at BNP Paribas and Morgan Stanley for many years. I was trading EQD derivatives. I was doing dispersion, single stock, and exotics as well.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Can you tell me your name?
Yeah, my name is Rudy Medioni.
Yeah, so how are you today?
I'm excellent, thank you.
What are you looking for, and what are you trying to achieve for the conference today?
Sure, so for me, this is essentially a good networking event. So I'm here to meet some of my peers, some clients, and to learn about market best practice.
Do you have any most excited part about this conference? Any speakers you are most excited?
I'm actually quite interested to hear about the developments on the crypto industry. I see there are good sessions and panels around cryptos and derivatives, and I'll be keen actually to understand what is competition doing in that field, how is it evolving in terms of product and services clients are looking for, especially after the past couple of weeks where we've seen quite a dramatic fall from all cryptos. I would be interested to know if this is still a topic investors are looking into.
So do you think the crypto trading industry is kind of like a competitor to the traditional trading industry?
No, I mean, we, JP Morgan, are also going to offer clients with capacity to trade cryptos. So I see that more as an opportunity rather than a threat.
Yeah, thank you.
Pleasure.
Can you tell us your name?
Randolph Roth.
Do you hold any assets and crypto?
I have just, in my private life, I have one ETN in crypto. In my business life, I'm also responsible for our crypto offering in Eurex, which right now only includes one future on an ETN.
Do you think there's some more assets come to the crypto in the future, or how about right now?
I think crypto is too big to go away. So it's, I mean, we will see more scandals like we have seen lately with Luna, but I don't think it's going to go away. And I think I know that many institutional clients look for ways how to get into there.
Yeah.
The question, however, is, I mean, rolling 5 years ahead, what is going to be there in 5 years? So there's no guarantee, even though the whole asset class is not going to go away, that the assets we see now are the tokens which are there in 5 years.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
So can you tell us your name?
Stefan Robert.
Do you have most excited about today's conference?
Well, I got to reconnect with some people I haven't seen in a long time. Okay, so that's nothing to do with the conference. But beyond that, there are some news, some market updates, a few things that I'm very interested about that I learned about. So I got a lot of information that was new to me.
Do you think the crypto trading industry is kind of like a competitor to the traditional trading industry?
No. Actually, I'm working crypto, not in execution and so on, but in research. No, I don't think so. I think it's way too early for crypto to be competing with any of this. This is a big league table. Eurex is a very professional, very profound, very deep trading venue. Crypto is nowhere near that.
Can you guys introduce yourself? What's your name?
My name is Peter Fredrickson. I am the executive chairman of Bay Markets.
And I'm Michael Smith, and I run sales for ExactPro.
Do you guys hold any assets and crypto?
Yes.
Yes.
Unfortunately.
You?
Sorry, no.
Oh no. Okay. So, do you think the crypto might be the competitor to the traditional trading industry?
Not competitor, but complementary.
You?
And I agree exactly the same. I think so. Investors who are your age are far more inclined to invest in crypto, whereas investors our age invest in proper stuff like property and
Speak for yourself. I'm a crypto
equity.
guy.
I just answered. I have crypto. There we go.
Okay. Do you guys think that there's some more assets come to the crypto right now?
Oh, there are. Yeah, definitely. Yeah.
100%. So I see over the next 2 or 3 years, it's not just about crypto, but it's about the tokenization of assets. I see an awful lot more development of that, whether it's going to be real estate or art or luxury vehicles or luxury products. There's going to be a lot more development in that area.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you guys so much. Yeah, this is really quick.